launched the new Komatsu iMC 2.0 excavator range. The upgrades include bucket angle hold, Multi-Gnss antennas, auto tilt attachment, and the Komatsu PH700 human-machine interface monitor. We've also improved our legacy features: boom stick control, minimum distance control, and auto grade assist. When you are doing detailed earthworks with an excavator and you have a 3D design, as you approach that target surface, the bucket will tilt to that design automatically. All the operator has to do is lower the work equipment, and the bucket will tilt to match the design surface with auto tilt on grade, as well as auto tilt return when loading. Once you've selected that angle, the machine will maintain that angle all the way through the pass automatically, so the operator's not having to adjust their bucket angle. All iMC 2.0 excavators now come with Multi-Gnss antennas that pick up additional satellite constellations, increasing accuracy and productivity, not just in an immediate time, but also throughout the day and over the entire job site. The PH700 Komatsu design human-machine interface monitor has been reduced in size, allowing maximum visibility of both the monitor and the operational area. The speed and performance has increased up to 3 times when compared to our previous monitor. As you are tracing that design surface, the work equipment is actually adjusting automatically. So what that's doing is improving productivity and speed. It also allows less experienced operators to be productive and not over-excavate. But it's also given more experienced operators real tools for the job to be outstanding in their work. Minimum distance control is when we calibrate a bucket on an iMC excavator. Imagine you've got a target surface and a 3D design. Wherever the nearest point of the bucket is going to hit the target surface, the machine will stop, therefore preventing over-excavation. Operators can safely rely on the system's intervention when required. No need to constantly check the monitor or to worry about rework. Just relax and be productive. With the latest machines, we've also introduced Comm vision cameras. It has a reverse camera and also peripheral cameras. Our customers have more confidence knowing their operators are not going to over-excavate. They can also connect to our smart construction dashboard and see the productivity of the machine from their office. Our customers are busier than ever. They can now track multiple job sites and have that truth of data providing value to the customer using iMC technology. Komatsu's factory integration provides greater reliability and uptime compared to aftermarket GPS systems. Most importantly, we have a dedicated iMC help desk with remote support consultants, a team of embedded customer technology advisors, and trained in-field service technicians that are there to help support you, our customer.